I'm gonna show you one of the computing cards. Look, it's very significant. And you can see these things like little mirror is actually the chips. Tiny but powerful chips. There's so many of these. And I'm gonna count it for you. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 21 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 105 chips at one computing card. So that makes there are 315 chips in this VolcMiner D1 Lite. It's no wonder the hash rate is very powerful, right? This is the cooling sink. This cooling system is also make these chips to cool down very efficient.